brought. Brought. Number 14, laugh. Laugh. I have a very loud laugh. Laugh. Write it on number 14. Laugh. All right, let's spell laugh. Spell it with me. L-A-U-G-H. Laugh. Laugh. Number 15. Walk. Walk. Please walk. Don't run. Walk. Number 15. Let's spell walk. Get ready. W-A-L-K. What word? Walk. Very good job. All right, number 16. You have a sentence. Think about everything you need for your sentence to be complete. All right, listen to me. You're going to write the following sentence on your paper. A starling is a black bird with little dots. Listen again. A starling is a black bird with little dots. Say that sentence with me. A starling is a black bird with little dots. Again, say that sentence with me. A starling is a black bird with little dots. Your turn. Say that sentence. Yes, a starling is a black bird with little dots. Your turn. You're going to pause the video, write that sentence completely with everything you need. When you're ready, press play, and let's check your work. Okay, boys and girls, let's check it. A starling is a black bird with little dots. This is a telling or declarative sentence. It is going to begin with a capital A and end with a period. Check your work. All right, you read about starlings on your test yesterday. All right, when you're ready, you can put your pencil down. Ears are listening, eyes are watching. These words and listen to the sound in the final position. Listen. Session, tension. Listen again. Session, tension. What sound do you hear in the final position? Yes, you hear shun, right? All right, let's see what's making that sound. Session, tension. What's making that sound, guys? S-I-O-N is saying shun, right? Yes, it is. Good. Now, echo these words and listen for the sound that's the same in the final position on these words. Fusion, version. Again, fusion, version. What sound do you hear in the final position? Yes, jeune, right? Now let's look at those words. Fusion, version. What's making the sound? S-I-O-N. So guys, S-I-O-N can make two sounds. It can say shun like in session, and it can make jun like in fusion, right? Alright, what do you think S-I-O-N is called? It's a final stable syllable. Remember, they're final stable syllables because they're the final, in the final position. Their sound is stable. It doesn't change. And it has its own vowel sound. How do we code final stable syllables? With a bracket. So let's practice. So first we have session and tension. Alright, we said it was final stable syllable S-I-O-N. So I'm going to put my bracket around S-I-O-N. Alright, the accent is on what syllable when we have a final stable syllable? On the first syllable. There we go. Alright, now let's code the rest of the word while we're there. Alright, so we've got vowel followed by consonant is short. S, session, session. Vowel followed by consonant is short. Tension, tension. Alright. Now let's look at the other side where we have the second sound. Alright, we have final stable syllable, S-I-O-N. Accent is on which syllable? The first. Alright, here we have what? A vowel all by itself. If it's an open syllable, the vowel is long. Fusion. What word? Fusion. Here we have combination ER. Version. What word? Version. Okay, so that's how we code them. Now back to our lesson. Our new cards. Whoop. That was not what Miss Fires wanted to do. So sorry, guys. Alright, let's try it again. Alright, so when I say name the letters, we'll say final stable syllable S-I-O-N. What will we say? Yes, final stable syllable S-I-O-N. Now it has two different sounds. It can say shun and it can say jun. Alright, so we're going to have two different cards. Alright, the key word for the shun sound of final stable syllable S-I-O-N is this. Let me think of how I can say it for you. Alright, this can be something that astronauts can do, or people that work in other countries for a while can do. maybe like missionaries go on these. Astronauts go on these. They call it a blank trip, where you have a certain goal you have to win. And it has shun at the end. Does anyone know what that is? All right, we have an astronaut here. He has a, does anyone know? Starts with an M. Mission. What word? Mission. All right, here's my picture. It's similar. The astronaut has a mission that he wants to accomplish. This one, his mission was to put a man on the moon, and he made it there. That was his mission. Can you guys say that word? Mission. Mission. All right, do you hear the shun sound in the final place? Mission. Shun. There you go. All right, so this one's kind of tricky because you have to know the word mission to get it done. So my turn. Mission, final stable syllable, S-I-O-N, shun. Again, mission, final stable syllable, S-I-O-N, shun. Say it with me. Mission, final stable syllable, S-I-O-N, shun. Your turn. Mission, final stable syllable, S-I-O-N, shun. All right, we'll practice that card. What word again? Mission. Now, for your second one, this next one will be a little bit easier for you. All right, we have a keyword picture for jeune of the T-I-O-N spelling pattern. All right, this is an appliance that is a major part of our house. These didn't exist until 1930. The first ones were in black and white. You guys may have them in almost every room of your house now. You turn them on and watch them. What are they? It has jeune at the end of it. You know what it is? Television. Television. Do you hear jeune at the end? It's final stable syllable, S-I-O-N, jeune. All right, this is a fancy newer TV or television. All right, my keyword picture card has the older television on there, but it's still the same. So my turn. Television, final stable syllable, S-I-O-N, jeune. Say it with me. Television, final stable syllable, S-I-O-N, jeune. Say it with me again. Television, final stable syllable, S-I-O-N, jeune. Your turn. Television, final stable syllable, S-I-O-N, jeune. All right, before we go on, mission, final stable syllable, S-I-O-N, shun. Television, final stable syllable, S-I-O-N, jeune. Now we're going to practice with final stable syllable, S-I-O-N. You spell it the same way, but it has two sounds. All right, so let's practice. Number one. All right, when spelling the jeune sound, you're always going to spell it S-I-O-N. So my turn, that's the regular spelling pattern. My turn, jeune. Yes, jeune. Write it down on number one. How are we going to spell it, boys and girls? S-I-O-N. Write it on number 1. Number 2. Version. Version. I have read a different version of the Three Little Pigs. Version. Tell me the sounds you hear. Whoop. Spider's giving you the answer. Tell me the sounds you hear in version. Get ready. Jean. Again. Jean. Spell it on number 2. Version. All right, let's spell it. V-E-R-S-I-O-N. Version. Version. Number 3. Fusion. Fusion. Tell me the sounds you hear in fusion. Get ready. Fusion. Again. Fusion. Fusion. Hannah Beth likes to drink fruit and vegetable fusion drinks. Fusion. They've been mixed. Fusion. Let's spell fusion. Get ready. F-U-S-I-O-N. Fusion. And number 4. Invasion. Invasion. Our picnic had an invasion of ants. Invasion. Tell me the sounds you hear in invasion. Get ready. I-N-V-A-Sion. Again. I-N-V-A-Sion. Invasion. Invasion. Let's spell it. I-N-V-A-S-I-O-N. Invasion. Invasion. All right, on the back, read the words to someone and have them listen to you spell them out loud. You have room for 2 sentences, so pick 2 of your sight words down at the bottom. Write a sentence with them to practice. All right, now we're ready for Worksheet 101 practice. So turn to 101, practice page. Let's go over it. Bigger. Okay. Final stable syllable S-I-O-N. Remember, it can say shun or jeune. Remember, jeune is the regular spelling for it. Okay, look at number 1. What do you see? All right, we do see final stable syllable S-I-O-N. So put a bracket and your accent on the syllable before it. All right, now if we look, we have how many vowels left? You still have 2. So let's look at your vowels. Between your vowels, what do you have? You have 2 consonants. So let's divide them up. All right, if you have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, where do you divide? Between the 2 consonants. All right, so vowel followed by consonant is short. And we have a vowel at the end of the syllable. It is long. And we have a C at the beginning. It needs a what? Yeah, it needs a K back. Now let's see if we can decode and attack this word. Are you ready? Next syllable. Few. Confuse. And the regular spelling is jeune. Jeune. Let's put it together. Confusion. What word? Confusion. Confusion means you're confused. You don't understand. Confusion. Very good. We attacked that huge word. Okay, the next word, number 2. What do you see? All right, we have ED. Let's box it and see if we have a word, a root word, left. All right, is that a word? We're not for sure. Well, let's code it and see if it is. All right, we've got a C that needs a K back. All right, I see 2 vowels again. In between it we have two consonants, so it's vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So I divide between what? My two consonants. Alright, I have the same pattern again. Vowel followed by consonant is short. So the first part's the same. On, con. Alright, here I have G followed by E. So I need a dot on that G. Vowel followed by consonant is short. Now, let's sound it out. On, con, j, est, congest. Congest. Have you ever heard that word, congest? Let's add ed to it. Congested. Congested. Have you ever been congested? Means to be what? Stopped up. Alright, is that a real word? Yes, it is a real word. Congested. Very good. Sometimes when you have a cold, you're congested, or sinus problems. Yes, you can be congested. Alright, next word, number 3. What do we have? We have A-L. What happens to that A? It says ah, like in wallet, right? So put your two dots above it. Let's sound it out. Ready? Mall. What word? Mall. Like you go shopping at the mall. Number 4. A-U. What else? Guys, do we need the sneaky E? No, the rule is any other spelling pattern we use S-E, but we don't need it to sound it out. It's just hanging around. So we can cross it out. Alright, now let's sound it out. Get ready. Pause. What word? Pause. Like you stop just a minute. Pause. Number 5. Diagram SH. Diagram OW. Alright, we've got 2 vowels. So let's look at it. Alright, where do I divide, guys? We got vowel, consonant, vowel. Alright, if I divide here, that would make what sound for the A? Long A. Let's look at it. Shade O. Shado. Thumbs up or down. Have you ever heard of a shado? Does it make sense? No. So I need to try again. Alright, so that didn't work. I need to try again. Alright, so we know it doesn't work there, so let's try it in the second spot. Let's move over one spot. Now that'll make vowel followed by consonant is short. Let's try that word with a short vowel sound. Ready? Shh. Add. Shadow. What word? Shadow. We've heard of a shadow, right? We learned about shadows when we learned about patterns in the sky. It's caused by sunlight being blocked. Shadow. All right, number 6. What do we have? S-I-O-N. Accent on the first syllable. All right, we have two vowels with two consonants in between. So where do I divide? Between my two consonants. All right, so we have ER says Vowel followed by consonant is short. Now let's sound it out. Are you ready? Permission. Did that make sense? So let's try the shun sound and see if it makes sense. Permission. Permission. Does it make sense? Yes, permission. My mom gave me permission to go to my friends. Permission. All right, let's read the next part. Finger underneath the first word. Let's read. Good manners are ways of acting that make other people like to be near you. When you bump into someone or leave a room or table, you should say, "Excuse me," or "Pardon me." Burping in public is not good manners. But if it does happen, it is good manners to say, "Excuse me," or "Pardon me." When should you say, "Excuse me"? Underline it and write it on the line.